Gambling, racing, casino and boxing are all in the same group. I went to the Prince, who's my son-in-law, with a friend of mine and suggested we bring boxing back after 32 years to Monte Carlo. And we thought it would be good to bring a guy like Gennadie here. So I feel pretty proud that we brought him here and he's become a household name here.
Monaco is a beautiful place. We've had a lot of support from the Prince and the Princess. The exclusiveness of this country, the casino movies with James Bond, all that makes it a perfect opportunity for us to showcase here in this beautiful country.
I'm happy to be here again in Monaco because very beautiful country, very beautiful city, a lot of beautiful people, just amazing time for me.
It's an amazing thing. I've sat watching him. As soon as that first bell goes, you just got to look at his eyes. He's focused, he's got that killer instinct, but when the fight is over, he's back to where he is, a gentleman, and it's an absolute pleasure to deal with him.